whenever the air has to pass through the narrowed pathway, it can be narrowed because of any cause. So if air has to pass through the narrowed passage, it will lead to the production of a harsh sound, especially in the upper airways, like from the nose till the back of our nose, nasopharyngeal region and throat. So if there is any significant obstruction in this area, it will lead to the production of a sound which we usually hear while the child is asleep and in the form of snoring.